In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to import contacts and accounts in Freshsales quickly and efficiently. This process is straightforward, but attention to detail can help ensure everything goes smoothly. Let's dive in. First, open your preferred internet browser and head over to the Freshsales website by searching for Freshsales in your search engine. Once you arrive on the site, you'll want to log into your account. If you don't already have an account, it might be best to set that up first, but most of us are probably set with our credentials at this point. Enter your login details and access the main dashboard. Now, we need to prepare a spreadsheet file with all the contact and account information you'd like to import. You'll want this file to be in either CSV or XLSX format, as these are the formats Freshsales supports for importing data. Be sure your file is organized and includes all the necessary fields such as names, emails, phone numbers, or any other relevant details for your contacts and accounts. Once your file is ready, log back into your Freshsales account if you've logged out, and look towards the left-hand side menu on your screen. You will see a gear icon, which represents the admin settings. Go ahead and click on that. Within the admin settings, you'll find an option called Data and Import. Click on it to further proceed with the import process. You'll need to specify the type of data you're importing by selecting Contacts followed by CSV from the options given. At this stage, you'll choose whether your file contains just contacts or both contacts and accounts, making sure Freshsales knows how to treat the data you're bringing in. Next comes the file upload. Here, you can either drag and drop your prepared CSV or XLSX file into the designated area, or simply click to browse and select it from your computer. If your file is correctly formatted, Freshsales will accept it and move on to the mapping phase. Mapping is a crucial step. You'll see a pop-up window allowing you to match your file's columns with the fields in Freshsales. Ensure each piece of information aligns with the right category in Freshsales to avoid issues later. Take your time here, as accuracy will make your data more functional and easier to manage inside Freshsales. Finally, once you're confident that everything is mapped correctly, it's time to confirm the import process. By confirming, you allow Freshsales to integrate your contacts and accounts into the CRM system, making them available for your use. And there you have it. With these steps, you've successfully imported your contacts and accounts into Freshsales. Take a moment to review the imported information to ensure everything looks right. If you run into any issues or have further questions, Freshsales support is a great resource for additional help. Thanks for watching, and happy importing.